been sitting in this duck blind since way before first light. My dog's out there on patrol, tail wagging, look at that thing go. He heard those mallards winging, hey! He froze like a loaded gun. I took my breath, I took my shot, and that sucker flew in the sun. Don't tell my dog I miss that bird. He's been searching every bush on earth, second time today, for what it's worth. Poor old fool, he thinks it fell out the sky. He thinks his vision's blurred. So don't tell my dog I miss that bird. He crashed through reeds and cattails like a four-legged bowling ball. Checked the creek, then checked it twice, but the bird didn't fall. He looked back at me, all wiggles like boss. Where'd that feather fly? I whistled, said keep looking, boy, with a tear ducked in my eye. Don't tell my dog I miss that bird. He's been searching every bush on earth, second time today, for what it's worth. Poor old fool, he thinks it fell out the sky. He thinks his vision's blurred. So don't tell my dog I miss that bird. He forgives me if I'm late, if I track and mud or stay too long. He forgives me every stupid thing, but I still wanna look strong. So I blame the wind, I blame the sun,